Welcome back, everybody, to another Valdez venture. Today, we're going to be putting together the rest of my grill. So, I got this one for Christmas either last year or the year before. And on the end here, if you can see this Velcro on the cover, it extends, like I can unvelcro it and extend it out. Well, it's for this. Lowe's sells both of these. It's actually where I got both of them. But it comes with, those are feet, so this could be its own little grill. But if you take this out and attach it on there, that becomes the pellet holder or the wood chips or whatever you choose to use to make that a smoker. So, hi handsome, hi Rocky Road. So, I'm gonna move this box because, as you can see, with this wall here, I can't put that smoker on there. Please excuse all the rest of my mess, but we're going to take that box, move it here against, we'll move it here somewhere, and then we're going to put that in its place, because I don't want to turn this sideways and have all the heat melting all this plastic. So we're going to pull it over here, just so I don't have to worry about damaging a house that I don't own. Rocky's investigating. Hi Rocky. So I'm gonna move this first, and then that, and I'm probably gonna roll a time lapse of moving them, just so y'all can see me move them, and then we will put it together and let y'all see it from there. It's hot enough that the gauge on the grill moved. But anyway, so where this little smoker adapter is going is right there. That little football looking shape is going to come out. And that little football looking shape is going to come out. And then one of the sets of bolts I'm going to use to mount it to that. So, we're going to get started by taking this one apart first. Excuse the messy grill. Alright, so inside this one, we can keep it from rolling. It doesn't seem we'll be able to. You get your instructions, and there's actually so it's your portable tabletop grill or side fire box, so the smoker, if you will. They tell you how to put it all together, but back here you've got grilling recipes, all your different cuts, different marinades, your food, different types of meat by weight, water pan smoking. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I'll definitely do the Sidefire, or Sidefire, not sorry. Anyway, Sidefire box. That's your times, your temperatures, and then it tells you just different ways to cook it. Just different ways to cook it, and then accessories that you can have. So you've got that. Cast iron grates, so if you want to cook in it. You've got the legs if you want to make it just a regular grill. And then got all of this fun stuff. So these are your breathers. It's the tool to get the grates out. Handles to carry it. Handle to open it. This one is for, I'll show you here in a second what this one's for. And we've got all the nuts and bolts. And the grate for all of the smoking material or charcoal or whatever to go on. So, this littler handle is so you can pull this out to refill it with your smoking material, so that you don't have to open the lid. Hey everybody, so that's the end of part one of the smoker video. I had recorded it once I took it off the grill, but it was like 10:30 by the time that happened. So what ended up happening, the grill actually didn't keep its temperature. I ran out of charcoal to keep it lit. So I ended up sticking it in the oven for the last like 10 minutes or so. And for the last like 10 degrees, it was at like 135. I needed it at like 145. Took it out of the oven. It looked really good. I'll stick the picture right here in my hand. I'm gonna put the picture right there. It tasted phenomenal. Everybody that ate it liked it. I ended up smoking it with charcoal and hickory wood chips. I rubbed it in some Everglades rub and meat tenderizer while it was smoking. The hickory did the rest of it. Once I took it out, because I did it on, I think I did it on the Thursday, and we didn't eat it until Saturday, the following Saturday, it had to go in the fridge. Well, when pork goes in the fridge, it's never really as good as when you take it out. So I ended up just heating it up and shredding it and making pulled pork, and I ended up using hickory and brown sugar, barbecue sauce. I think it was the Jack Daniels or something like that. Alright, so I had to move inside. The rain started. So, just this Everglades rub. You can actually get that straight from Everglades. I don't think it's sold in stores. I think just regular Everglades is sold in stores. But if you go to everglades.com, I will leave a link in the description below. You can actually order, it's like a 6-pack. They're all this size. You know, the small little ones, not the big giant ones like you can get in Florida of this Everglades. But they've got the rub, fish and chicken, heat, and a couple others. So I just used this rub and just Walmart's meat tenderizer, and that was it. For cooking it, once it came off the grill, like I said, I used some barbecue sauce, just hickory and brown sugar, and it was phenomenal. Putting the smoker on the grill will be next week's video, so be sure to join in for that, and we will see y'all next week. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.